Here are some top reasons on why you should outsource your sales. Hey, my name is Rob Spence, the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions, and welcome to another great video. I'm sure you're loving this new series as much as I am producing them. And if you are enjoying them, I'd very much love you to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues. So in this video, we're going to discuss why you should outsource your sales, simply because it's a key question that I'm asked on a regular basis. So if you aren't aware, here at Paragon Sales Solutions, there is a lot that we do to help people with their sales and their marketing and their business growth. We have the ability to coach, to train, to mentor, to support, but we also have some great services and solutions that people outsource to us for us to take that weight off their mind, but to also to deliver a better service that they potentially could do in-house. And one of the key things that we're probably most known for, we've won awards for, some are up there, I'm not too sure if you can see them, is by having people outsource their sales to us. And a lot of people ask me, Robert, why should we outsource our sales? And there's many answers to those questions. We all know the importance of sales. Sales are the lifeblood and the thing that are going to drive your business forward. And of course, you can do your sales in-house. Of course you can. Like any activity within your business, you can do it in-house. However, sales can be a very tough, complex, hard task, and you need the right people within your business to do so. So first and foremost, it becomes a recruitment task to find the right salespeople that are going to suit your brand and going to boost your business and drive it forward. Now, salespeople are divas. I said it and I can say it because I'm a salesperson myself. We want the world, we want the salary, we want the car, we want the bonus, we want the extra holidays, we want the flexible work, and we want this, that and the other. So hiring a good salesperson can be very expensive. Of course, you could potentially hire a junior salesperson, but that's then only going to increase the amount of time and effort that you need to give to that salesperson to help and nurture and support them. So whether you're hiring one salesperson or hiring a team of salespeople can become expensive. You've then got to think about how you're going to manage and drive that sales team forward. Luckily, you could be a business that's got a great sales manager and a sales director in place that's going to allow that. If you're watching this as a business owner, you could think, well, I've now got to spend more time managing, looking at KPIs, make sure they're doing their job, and so on and so forth. So it becomes more of a bigger task than what you need it to be. You've got to make sure those salespeople are well trained, well versed, and driven to drive your business forward. And the big problem that we've always seen and recognised is that for some people in some businesses, a salesperson will, they'll have their 3-month probationary period, they'll get into their job and they'll do a great job initially. Once their feet are under the table, they get a bit more complacent. Leads aren't followed up with, prospecting doesn't happen so much, referrals aren't asked for, and so on and so forth. So over time, although yes, potentially hiring internally could be, and I say could be quite stringently, more cost effective, in the long run it can be more expensive. However, when you outsource your sales, and there's lots of companies out there that do it, of course, including ourselves, if you outsource to a company like us here at Paragon Sales Solutions, you get expertise, you get professionals who know what they're doing, who know how to put a sales process in place and aren't needed to be managed. I think for me, one of the crucial reasons why outsourcing your sales is a great solution is we constantly have to prove ourselves to the likes of you. We have no employee rights. We don't normally, sometimes we do, but we don't normally tie people into big contracts. So if we aren't getting sales, we could be gotten rid of. Is that the right way of saying it? Probably not. So we have to work really hard to maintain that relationship and maintain that contract. But above and beyond all that is the skills, the expertise and the knowledge that an outsourced sales solutions bring. Luckily, our team here, they are well trained from the day one they're brought into the business, and that training goes on consistently, weekly and monthly. So if you are sat there considering outsourcing your sales, or if it's something that's kind of sprung to mind, the big question I always ask and put forward is, the likelihood of it is that you outsource your marketing. The likelihood of it is you outsource your accounting and your bookkeeping. Both of those activities you could hire internally. You could hire a bookkeeper. So why not outsource your sales? And potentially another point that I completely overlooked is scalability. The great thing about outsourcing your sales is sometimes a lot of the businesses we work with can't handle an influx of sales on day one. So we build up slowly, build up gradually until the operations behind the scenes are set up. And you know what? Once those sales are at a good level, we can then tone that back down. So we can always sort of turn things on and off like a tap. But look, if you are considering outsourcing your sales, drop us a message today. Visit our website, which is www.paragonsellsolutions.co.uk. Drop a comment below. One of our team will reach out to you and start that conversation. As I said at the start of the video, please do hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button. We've got some great sales tips and advice coming your way over the coming weeks and months. So make sure you are watching, stay tuned. And in terms of today, thank you so much. Thanks so much for watching this video. And until next time, all the best.